to check and present to us the investigation report. Ang tanong lang ni Chairman Dan is, sino nagutos? If not you, who is? Who? Who?
Ang nag-utos po?
Naipasok doon sa Bartolina, sino?
Yung, hindi po akong nag-utos.
Sino nga? Ba't hindi mo mabanggit sino? Ba't hindi mo mabanggit sino? This will be your last chance. I will cite you in contempt. You're lying.
The commander of the guard.
Sadali, you should not speak. I'm speaking unless you're recognized by the chairman. Ang tanong lang diretso, sino nagutos? If not you.
Ang commander of the guards po. Commander of the guards.
Sino?
Inspector Noni Poro, then ipapasa po yan sa
So no, wag mo akong lituin sa procedure. Is it Foro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sadali. Foro.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, let me call Foro to sit.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, kanina si Warden was telling us that hindi niya responsibilidad yung pagpapasok ng 5 sa isang Bartolina. And he mentioned that there are levels of approval. 2 ang sinabi niya. Unang level, pangalawang level. Tanong ko sa iyo, Senior Inspector Nonoy Poro, pang ilang level ka sa approval?
Pangalawa po.
Pangalawa.
Actually, pang-tatlo po ako.
Pangatlo. So may first level, may second level, ikaw pangatlo. So ikaw ang final approval.
Hindi ang final approval, sir, talaga manggaling sa taas.
Oh, so kay Warden
Opo.
ang final approval.
Opo.
So after your approval, dinala mo kay Warden. So si Warden ang nagsisinungaling. So ngayon, ang final ng approval ng pagpapasok ng 3 Chinese together with the 2 PDLs is under your jurisdiction, Warden. Di ba? Ayun ang sabi ni Senior Inspector Nonoy Poro. Am I right? Kasi ikaw ang sinasabi mo, pangatlong level ka.
From the superintendent, sir. From the superintendent, mayroon pang assistant superintendent for security and operation.
Oo.
Punta po sa akin, commander of the guards. Papunta na po sa ship.
So ikaw ang nagsabi na dalhin yung 3 sa iisang Bartolina.
Hindi po.
Sino?
May advice po si Sir Jerry na...
Sino may advice?
May advice po si superintendent.
So may advice si superintendent
Opo.
na ipasok sa isang Bartolina yung 5.
Opo.
O yun.
Sagot. O you refuse to answer?
Yes.
You refuse? Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt Colonel Padilla in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C. Mr. Chairman, refusal or evasive to answer questions without legal excuse. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Superintendent Padilla for violating Section 11, paragraph C of our rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. Duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. You are now cited in contempt, Superintendent Padilla.